Hi everyone. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Facebook business page in just a few simple steps. First, open the Facebook app on your phone. Once you're logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top right corner, or bottom right corner on some devices, to open the menu. Scroll down and tap on Pages. Tap on Create. Now, tap on Get Started. Enter your page name. Select a category that best describes your business. Choose the option. You've created your page. Tap on Continue. You can now add a profile picture and cover photo for your page. Tap on Next. Invite friends and tap on Next. After adding the details, tap on Done. Congratulations! Your Facebook business page is now created. And that's it. How to create a Facebook business page. If this video helped, like this video and subscribe to my channel for more quick tech tips. See you in the next video.